In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a hyperlink to a signature in Outlook. This is a quick way to make your emails more professional and useful, perfect for linking to your website, portfolio, calendar, or any important resource you want recipients to access with a single click. Start by opening Microsoft Outlook on your computer. We'll be working in the desktop app settings, so once Outlook is open, go to the File menu in the top left corner. On the left side of that screen, choose Options. This opens the Outlook Options window, where you can configure how your email behaves and looks. In the Options window, select Mail from the list on the left. This section controls your composing and formatting preferences. On the right, look for the Signatures button and click it. That opens the Signatures and Stationery window, which is where all your signatures live and where you can edit them. In the Select Signature to Edit area, choose the signature you want to modify. Make sure you've selected the exact one you use for new messages or replies, depending on your workflow. The content of that signature will appear in the editor box below. In the signature editor box, highlight the specific text you want to turn into a clickable link. Keep the link text clear and concise, something like visit our website, or the name of your company. Clear link text helps recipients know exactly where they're going. With the text still highlighted, click the Insert Hyperlink icon in the editor's toolbar. It typically looks like a globe or a chain link. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also use Ctrl+K on Windows or Command+K on a Mac to open the same dialog. In the address field of the hyperlink window, paste the full URL you want people to visit. Be sure to include the full address, starting with https:// double check the spelling, and make sure you're linking to the correct page. Using the secure HTTPS version of your site is generally best practice. When you're confident the address is correct, click OK to insert the hyperlink. You should now see your selected text underlined and formatted as a link in the signature editor. To finish up, click Save in the Signatures window, then click OK. Back in Outlook Options, click OK again to close the settings. That's it, your signature now contains a working hyperlink. From now on, whenever you use that signature, recipients will be able to click straight through to the page you specified. If you ever want to refine the text or link, just return to the same signatures screen and make your edits.